شو فندو ماني एक ही तो इधर कम फोर खुद फा हम मियाँ की राज्य के राजस्व के स्कूल के अंदर में मुहिम असास खिदमत फोर खुद उनका बस फंडू मियाँ तना हमारा मुहिम इंदी ता तेही तक फोर खुद फा मा कम फा खुद के अदे सऊदी फंडू राज्य का इतना हर वेज में दिन में को ता इधर कम फोर खुद मुमकिन दबाता अदर रसूल जमहूरिया डॉक्टर मोहम्मद मोइज़ में हमने में मालूम बढ़ा के बते बेफुना हमें अब को तो मियाँ साहब में रस्मियत और गनस्तेना
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وأيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الضر وأنت أرحم الراحمين فاستجبنا له فكشفنا ما به من ضر وآتيناه أهله ومثلهم معهم رحمة من عندنا وذكرى للعابدين وإسماعيل وإدريس وذا الكفل كل من الصابرين وأدخلناهم في رحمتنا إنهم من الصالحين وذا النون إذ ذهب مغاضبا فظن أن لن نقدر عليه فنادى في الظلمات أن لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين فاستجبنا له ونجيناه من الغم وكذلك ننجي المؤمنين صدق الله العظيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency President of the Republic of Maldives, Dr. Mohammad Moiz, His Excellency Vice President of the Republic of Maldives, Ustaz Hussein Mohammad Latif, Honorable Minister of Finance and Planning, Mr. Musa Zamir, Chief Executive Officer of Saudi Fund for Development, His Excellency Sultan Abdurrahman Al Marshad, Deputy Ambassador of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to the Republic of Maldives, His Excellency Fahad Al Dosari, Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Maldives Airports Company Limited, Mr. Ibrahim Sharif, senior officials of the Government of the Maldives and Saudi Fund for Development, esteemed guests, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the loan signing ceremony between the Government of the Maldives and the Saudi Fund for Development for the second additional financing for the expansion and upgrading of the Velana International Airport project. I'm Huda Fahim, and it is my pleasure to be today's Master of Ceremony. Please allow me to enlighten you all with today's proceedings. The ceremony was commenced by the recitation of the Holy Quran by Ms. Aishat Nishreen. After this, the opening remarks will be delivered by the Honorable Minister of Finance and Planning, Mr. Musa Zamir. This would be followed by the remarks from the Chief Executive Officer of Saudi Fund for Development, His Excellency Sultan Abdulrahman Al Marshad. This ceremony will be concluded with the signing and exchange of the loan agreement between the Government of the Maldives and Saudi Fund for Development. To begin the proceedings, may I kindly request the Honorable Minister of Finance and Planning, Mr. Musa Zamir, to deliver his remarks. Honorable Minister.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. His Excellency President of the Republic of Maldives, Dr. Mohammed Moiz. His Excellency Vice President of the Republic of Maldives, Ustaz Hussein Mohammed Latif. Chief Executive Officer of Saudi Development Fund, His Excellency Sultan Abdulrahman Al Marshad. His Excellency Fahad Al Dosari, the Deputy Ambassador of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to the Republic of Maldives, senior officials of Saudi Embassy to the Maldives, senior government officials and fund officials, esteemed guests, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good morning to you all. It is an honor to be here today representing the government of the Republic of Maldives as we mark another milestone in our enduring partnership with Saudi Fund for Development, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and its people. We are truly grateful for your steadfast support and generosity towards our development journey. The fund has been a valued development partner to the Maldives, playing a vital role in our progress across key sectors, from infrastructure of healthcare, housing, and disaster recovery support. The first loan by SFD to the Maldives was provided in 1978 for the development of Malé International Airport. Your contribution have made a lasting difference in the lives of our people. Among this, the most transformative initiative is the investment in our main gateway to the world, Velana International Airport. In 2016, we embarked on this important development journey with your valued support. Today, with this third additional commitment, we take another step towards realizing a true national priority. The additional financing of 63.75 million Saudi Riyal is a testament to your continued trust in our vision and a reaffirmation of our shared commitment to deliver results. We acknowledge that the airport project has faced delays. However, we want to assure you that the government is fully committed to its timely and successful completion. We are actively addressing the challenges and making measures to accelerate the progress on the ground. Completing the expansion of our airport is more than just a development goal, it's a national priority. Velana International Airport is the heartbeat of our economy, our tourism industry, and our connectivity with the rest of the world. Its successful expansion is essential to unlock future opportunities and ensure sustainable growth for our people. I extend my sincere appreciation to the senior leadership of Saudi Fund for recognizing the importance of this endeavor and for your continued support and partnership. And I also thank the President and the government officials of Maldives for its guidance and continued support in completing this project. We look forward to building on this strong foundation for the collaboration and to expand our partnership with the fund in the years ahead. The Maldives deeply values relationship we share with Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, rooted in trust, reinforced by cooperation, and inspired by shared vision and progress. I warmly welcome our Saudi friends to the Maldives, discover the natural splendor of our islands, and experience the genuine hospitality that our nation is known for. Thank you, and wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you, Minister. I now kindly request the CEO of Saudi Fund for Development, His Excellency Sultan Abdurrahman Al Marshad, to deliver his remarks.
الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Your Excellency the President of Republic of Maldives, Dr. Mohammed Mu'taz, Your Excellency the Vice President of Maldives, Honorable Minister of Finance and Planning, Honorable State Ministers, Official Government, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is a great pleasure to be here with you today in the beautiful Republic of Maldives. It's my second home. I would like to take this opportunity to reaffirm the strong development ties between the Saudi Fund for Development and the Republic of Maldives that started over 47 years ago. Today marks another significant milestone in our commitment development cooperation with the signing of the second additional loan agreement worth $17 million for the extension and development of the Vinala International Airport project, bringing the total contribution for the Saudi Fund for Development, provided by the Saudi Fund for Development, for this project to $217 million. In addition, the additional loan agreement signed today aims to increase the airport's capacity to accommodate up to 7 million passengers annually, while also enhancing air cargo and operations, operating new venues for trade, connectivity and tourism. It's also support the final stage of the airport project, paving the way for great economic opportunity and job creation for the Maldives people. Today, loan builds on a decade of supporting the Saudi Fund for Development provided for the Vinala International Airport with 7 development loans extended since 1978, totaling around $242 million. We believe this project will continue to play a vital role in supporting economic growth and social development in Maldives. Your Excellencies, Saudi Fund for Development has been a committed partner to the Maldives development journey since our first agreement signed in 1978. We have provided a total of 17 development loans to implement 14 projects in Maldives, worth over $488 million. These projects help supporting many sectors, including air transportation, water sanitation, healthcare, housing, infrastructure, and others. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to His Excellency the President of Maldives, the government, and the people for their warm welcome and generous hospitality. I also express our sincere wishes for your country continued growth and prosperity. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the most important agenda of today, the signing of the loan agreement between the Government of the Maldives and the Saudi Fund for Development. May I kindly invite the Honorable Minister of Finance and Planning, Mr. Musa Zamir, and Chief Executive Officer of Saudi Fund for Development, His Excellency Sultan Abdurrahman Al Marshad, to proceed with the signing of the loan agreement for the second additional financing of the expansion and upgrading of the Velana International Airport project. Thank you, Minister and CEO. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, with the signing of this agreement, we mark yet another milestone in the strong and enduring partnership between the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the Republic of Maldives. Today's event is not only a testament to the deepening of bilateral ties, but also a shared vision for progress, development, and prosperity. With that, we conclude today's ceremony. Thank you all once again. Have a wonderful day ahead, and wassalamu alaikum.
अदे अमंदे में अतिबे फुना हमें मीगेनस्तिनी सऊदी फंड फॉर डेवलपमेंट के ही का कुरिया के अंदर खासा मशहूर के दोने बसम का सोयकुम के रस्मियात और रसूल जमहूरिया के ऑफी हूँ वागतुम मी बसम का राज्य द्वे सरकार फातन सोयकुरे भी मादी वजीर मुसाजा में अदि सऊदी फंड फॉर डेवलपमेंट के फातन सोयकुरे भी ए फंड के सीईओ अल मशीद अदे मी बसम की वेदाना इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट के टर्मिनल होता एयरपोर्ट तरह के उनके मशहूर सऊदी फंडों फदे यही तरीक़म के तरह कुरे खासा लोने बस में आदमी वेदाना इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट के आटा में माशो और नेमो मटका कुरिया के अंदर मसके तो के तेरे फोर खुद देवे मादी यही तरीका में कम फाहा को देवे मी बस में का सोए कुल मटका बेबी मी रस्मिया तो का सऊदी फंड के फातुम मनी राज्य फोर खुद देवे यही तरीकम तफसीर तक हिस्सा कुरा बाफा मी हाथना नवास्ते का है दिया शकुम फशिके राज्य यही तरीका फोर खुद देवे एक दायरा तक फाहा कुरे भी आदमी आए कि मी हाथना 240 मिलियन डॉलर बोर्ड यही तरीका में फोर को दीफा वाक़ा मनी फाहा कुरा बाफा मादी वजीर मूसा ज़मीर उस्मानी राज्य का तरक्की का मुहिम बाबरे को तो का सऊदी फंड फाहा कुरा बा आशुकुर अदा कुरा बादी फोर खुद यही तरीका वैस तफसील खुद बाफा मैं सब मुतबेफुना हमें अगेंस्ट वो मीडिया लाइव कवरेज नि माला फा वक्त वेदान हो रहा बेफुना वैस वरंग उफा बेरे रखाते दुआ करेंगे अस्सलाम वालेकुम।